Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a short tutorial on how to change the font in Weebly. I should also mention before the tutorial starts, there is a link to a free trial of Weebly in the description below. So if you go down to the description and click that link, it'll take you to a completely free trial of Weebly. But moving on with the tutorial. So to change the font in Weebly, you need to go to Theme, go to Change Fonts, and then that'll give you all of these text options. So if you just hover over them until you find the text you're trying to change. So I want to change the headline. To change the font style, I can just click here and go through these. Maybe a different font would be better. We can also choose the size by hitting here. We can also change the weight to regular and bold, and you can change it you have pretty much the same options as you would have in Word or any word processing software, so you can play around with that. But yeah, that's how to change the font in Weebly. Like I said, to change the font for any text, you can just hover over, and it's the same thing for every type of text. Like I said, there is a link to a free trial of Weebly in the description below, so if you want to give that a try, you can find the link down there. I hope you liked the video. If you did, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials on Weebly. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.